that was launched a few months ago, costing billions of dollars. Allah Almighty has always challenged man.
Imagine a special time when science and spirituality meet among the stars. It's like a burst of curiosity when NASA hears faint sounds from far away in space. Join us on this exciting journey as we learn about how science and our strong beliefs connect. Think of it like a beautiful dance between what we know and what we believe. It's like putting together the pieces of a cosmic puzzle. We're traveling through space, guided by the light of discovery, trying to understand things that are visible and things that are hidden, things we can measure, and things that are like mysteries. Imagine the vastness of space, full of stars and planets. We're trying to understand the language that the universe speaks, a language that tells us its secrets from long ago. We're like explorers, studying how celestial bodies move, trying to find the messages they carry. Just like detectives, we're excited about solving the mysteries of space. We're searching through the dust and echoes of old knowledge, always wanting to find the truths that are hidden beyond what we know. As we explore, we start to hear the amazing music of the universe. Every star and planet plays its own unique note in this cosmic orchestra. Together, we're on a big adventure, wanting to understand the beautiful melody of the universe and how it connects to us. So, get ready for an exciting journey that's beyond the usual. As NASA listens to the whispers of space, we're bravely going into the unknown parts of the universe, discovering its secrets bit by bit. The universe is calling us, and we're excited to answer that call. So, when we're talking about the angels, the Prophet of Islam was asked, particularly on the night of Al-Isra. There were some people that questioned that journey and how he made that journey. There are some people that just wanted to know what it was like, and a group of companions came to the Prophet, peace be upon him, and they asked the messenger, what did it sound like? What had he seen? As he was traveling through those galaxies with rapid speed, what was that you heard out there?
And that Allah Almighty is indeed the Creator, and whatever He has revealed is the truth.
It is reported by Abu Dar that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, I see what you do not see. Heaven is groaning, and it has a right to be groaning. There is no space the width of 4 fingers in it, but an angel placing his forehead in prostration to Allah the Exalted. NASA recorded sounds from very far away in space about 23 years ago. Just before the year 2000. They called this research, Our Universe is Not Silent. People used to think that in space, you wouldn't hear anything except for things moving around. Even though we can't hear everything in the recording, it's really amazing if you have a chance to listen to it. One of the researchers who worked on this said, the sounds are like a billion men all singing together like Gregorian chants at the same time. When we heard this, we remembered a saying from a wise person that goes like this, I can see and hear things that you can't. This gives us hope because sometimes we worry about bad spirits being everywhere, but there are way more angels than bad spirits. The difference between the number of angels and the number of bad spirits is very big. So, this recording is a truly incredible creation. On July 12, 1984, cosmonauts Oleg Atkov, Leonid Kizim, and Vladimir Janibekov were on their 156th day aboard Russia's Scientific Research Space Station. Their 237-day stay had been proceeding smoothly, following the plan. However, on this specific day, something extraordinary occurred. In 1984, while aboard the Soviet Salyut 7 space station, the cosmonauts experienced an unusual event. They observed a strange orange glow surrounding their spacecraft. At first, they thought it might be a gas leak, but the situation escalated. The entire station appeared engulfed in an orange cloud. As they gazed at the phenomenon, the cloud took on a distinct shape. Suddenly, a blinding orange light overcame them. Once their vision cleared, they peered out of the spacecraft's portals and were met with an astonishing sight. They reported seeing 7 angelic beings traveling alongside their spacecraft. This continued for about 10 minutes. The beings were described as enormous winged creatures, possibly up to 80 feet tall, and they seemed to radiate glowing halos. Officials, however, dismissed this encounter as a shared hallucination caused by oxygen deprivation and pressure fluctuations. Later that summer, 3 more cosmonauts joined the Salyut 7 crew, and to their amazement, all 6 individuals once again witnessed these winged entities. The question arises, how could multiple cosmonauts share the same hallucination? This casts doubt on the explanation of hallucination. It appears that whatever the cosmonauts witnessed, it was not a mere figment of their imagination. It seems likely that something real and unexplained was occurring beyond the confines of their spacecraft. When we think about angels and how they appear in different cultures and stories throughout history, it makes us wonder if there's something real behind these stories. Could the beings that people thought were angels actually be creatures from other planets? Maybe the winged figures that the Salyut 7 crew saw were actually aliens. People who study ancient astronaut theories believe this could be true. And they also think that other Russian cosmonauts might have seen similar things but kept it a secret. It's important to know that some cosmonauts had unusual experiences in space, but they were afraid to talk about them openly because they worried they might lose their jobs for seeming crazy. So, some cosmonauts from the Soviet Union and Russia did encounter strange things in space. Belief in angels is an important part of our faith. It's like a strong pillar that holds up our beliefs. The reason it's so important is because of an angel named Jibrail. Just like we have to believe in angels, we also need to believe in other things like jinn. But it's not as crucial. Even though belief in angels is essential, it's not listed separately like a pillar because all the pillars are about keeping the message pure and true. Jibrail is special because he brings messages from God to the prophets. This helps us understand and respect the message even more. Angels are messengers of God, and they have a special role. They show that the prophets are true and their message is pure. Different cultures and religions have their own ideas about angels. In Christianity and Judaism, angels are seen as creatures made from fire. But in our faith, they're made from light, which is beautiful and pure. This shows they can't do anything wrong. Angels are strong, not unlike the weak images you might have seen in pictures. They follow God's commands perfectly and don't make mistakes. Angels have feelings and personalities just like us. They can like or dislike things, and they have their own characters. They're not like robots. There are stories about angels arguing or discussing things. Some angels are focused on mercy, while others are related to punishment. Even Jibrail has his own character. But we can't really describe exactly how angels look. They are unique creations of God, and their appearance is beyond our understanding. As we conclude this fascinating journey into the realms of science, spirituality, and the mysteries of the cosmos, we find ourselves at the crossroads of wonder and curiosity. The dance between our knowledge and our beliefs has illuminated the hidden corners of space, revealing both the known and the unknown. Just like cosmic detectives, we've delved into the secrets of celestial bodies, unraveling the symphony of the universe. Through the echoes of ancient beliefs and modern discoveries, we've contemplated the enigma of angels and aliens, bridging the gap between faith and exploration. The intriguing encounter aboard the Salyut 7 space station reminds us that even amidst the vastness of space, mysteries are waiting to be unraveled. The debate between shared experiences and the unexplained invites us to ponder the true nature of the extraordinary sighting. Our journey also leads us to the essence of belief, where angels stand as pillars of faith. These celestial messengers, with their unique character and purpose, serve as a testament to the interconnectedness of the divine and the earthly. In the end, the harmonious blend of science and spirituality shows us that the universe is a tapestry woven with threads of awe and inspiration. The whispers of space, whether captured by NASA's recordings or experienced by courageous cosmonauts, beckon us to continue our exploration, fueled by both knowledge and faith. Did NASA truly see angels? What do you believe? Please share your thoughts in the comments.